everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have most of my makeup on, and what I'm gonna do is a liner look. I'll put the liner look that I'm gonna do in right here, and I'm gonna start doing this every Tuesday. So if you guys want to help me name this series, I don't know what to name it. I'm usually really good with things like that, but I don't know. I can't figure out a name. So drop a comment below. But yeah, so we're gonna start out with both of the colors. Now I know in the picture it is orange, but I'm gonna do red because I ain't got no orange. No, I don't. But yeah, so we're just gonna start out with the yellow, and then I'm gonna put the red on top, and then hopefully we'll get a similar look. It doesn't have to be exact, but welcome to my face. Isn't it great? I'm gonna start off with the yellow today. Looks like I got an eye boogie. If you guys ever see nails at the Dollar General, don't buy them, because these are already like, I mean, from a distance they look cute, but don't do it, girl. Don't do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off right here and go down, out, down again, and then out. I think that's how it goes. I'm doing it from my memory right now. Hopefully y'all can see. It doesn't have to be real perfect on the yellow because that red is going over top, so. And then right and down here you get like a regular wing. So I think that looks about right. It's a little fat right in here, but not a biggie. I'm gonna try to not look up, sorry. So just take it from here, do like a little wave type thing. I need more. And then when you get to the last one, don't make like, just go outwards. I gotta fix that one. Let me go over this one more. I feel like it's not as dark or something. Okay. Let's let that dry for 1 moment. And then we'll start putting on the red. I'm thinking about getting those Anastasia, like the ones you kind of dip wet brush in. I think they'll last longer. B, they're more vibrant. And some of them are like glow in the dark or black light activated, so. See, it kind of messed up, but I think, you know, normally I can fix things. So what do you think I should name this series? I'm gonna do it every Tuesday because I got a few looks I want to do. So liner Tuesdays, I don't know, something cute, but something that kind of rhymes, you know. I don't know. Usually I'm really good at that type of stuff, but I cannot think of anything. So you guys let me know what you think. I really messed up there in the corner. Let me see if I can take a makeup wipe and fix it. Just kind of put it on my fingernail. Whoops. Sorry guys. Oh my goodness. It works okay. So I'm gonna fix it up and stuff. I feel like it's dark in here. Oh, that's why. So, I think I'm just gonna take my brush that I put my concealer on with today and just kind of conceal it up. I'll bring you out just a little bit. And I'm just gonna conceal it, kind of clean it up. I should be more careful, but if y'all know me, that's one of my problems with my looks. Like, I need to get more precise. Otherwise, I'm a decent artist. I just need to be more precise. I'm kind of a messy artist. That's just kind of the way it's always been. But they look a little lopsided. Well, maybe they're okay. I'll put a little bit more yellow on them. And then I'll put the black on it. And we'll see how that looks. So, let me get my mirror here. Hopefully you can see. And I'm gonna put the yellow on. And of course, this will be like my, you know, interpretation of the look. It's not gonna be perfect. I feel like doing videos and doing precise looks are something that I need to work on, so. But it is what it is, you know? And then I have, okay, so both of those, these were the Vivid Brights by NYX. And this one is supposed to be like hot pink, but it's more red. And this one is like yellow, and I don't think they have an actual color name, as far as I know. And this one here is Maybelline Hyper Easy. It has a brush tip. So I'm gonna do the actual wing with this. And just fill in all the gaps. Oops. I've been going to the gym, y'all. I've been getting my fitness on. So. It's been pretty fun though. I don't mind it. Do you guys like going to the gym? I honestly like it myself. And usually I just do like that and then, oops. I just feel like I don't have a steady hand sometimes. And then usually I get like a little brush and then I kind of smudge it along to make sure everything's, you know, filled in. So yeah, I have a few different looks that I would like to try, picked out, that I got from Pinterest. So that's where I'm getting these looks from. So I just looked through and I'm like, oh, that's cute, let's do that, let's do that. So I don't know, me and this thing have like a love-hate relationship. I swear. I'm gonna put on some Grande Drama mascara. And coat the lashes. let's see, let me go back here. I think that's our finished look. So, well, hopefully you like my new lash series, liner series, sorry. I will be back next Tuesday and we'll try a different one. If you try any of these out, let me know. I know this is a little messy, but I don't mind it. I would go out like this, would you? Okay, so leave me a comment down below. Make sure you follow all my social medias, and I will see you when I see you. Thanks for watching.